Best Upcoming Smartphones 2018, the future phones of 2018. It's always the way that as soon as you upgrade your phone something better comes along. So should you upgrade now or wait? We outline details of the best new phones set to arrive within the next few months to help you make a decision. Here are some of the anticipated upcoming handsets for 2018. LG G7, Nokia 9, Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Mini, Sony's Xperia XZ1 Premium, Huawei P11, HTC U12, Google Pixel 3, Mi Mix 3. So, what do you think? Now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this list? Maybe I missed something. Either way, leave a comment below right now to let me know. Smile.